What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see the version history for a Google Sheets spreadsheet. The more data you pack into a spreadsheet, and the more people you have making edits to it, the higher the likelihood that someone is going to make a mistake. Thankfully, if you're using Google Sheets, the version history feature is enabled by default, where Google saves all of your spreadsheet changes automatically. You can use version history to see what was changed, when those changes were made, and who made those changes. And finally, if you see a need to roll back your Google Sheet spreadsheet to a previous version, you can easily do that. Now let's walk through the steps to see the version history for a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to www.sheets.google.com, and then sign into your Google account if prompted. You'll land on your Google Sheets home screen. Step 2. Open the Google Sheets document you want to see the version history for. Step 3. Click File in the menu along the top of the spreadsheet to open a drop-down menu. Step 4. Click Version History in the list of options to open an expanded menu, and then click See Version History in the expanded menu. A version history window is now displayed on the right side of your spreadsheet, showing the dates and times when changes were made to this spreadsheet. When you click on any of the individual date options, you'll see the changes on that date highlighted in the document in turquoise. Alternatively, if there were saved changes at different times on the same date, you can click to expand the date and see the different saved versions. Step 5. Click Restore this version at the top of the screen if you see a previous version of the document that you want to restore it to. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.